Yeah.
I'm just going to fish right here by the ramp. There's a bunch of rocks and it's on the deeper end of the lake. Since they're lowering it, I'm hoping that fish are just following the deep down towards the dam. That's my thought. See what happens though. Okay, so how I was planning on fishing was more hardcover, like rock and wood banks, and I was trying to go with like a little bit steeper banks, or banks that have points near them, or fish steeper points and that kind of stuff in general, just because since the lake is dropping, I figured the fish would try to follow out like rock banks, hardcover, and pause on points, and just like steeper banks to feed up, following down, like following the depth down to the dam. And I was just fishing a bank just like that, and I watched like a wad of bait blow up, and I cast it in there, and I just had a largemouth. I don't know if you guys seen it or not. So I came off right here at the boat, and then not a largemouth, but white bass I caught on a point back there, which you guys seen. So that's just how I was thinking of fishing. I don't know if there's a better way to fish for an instance like this, to where the lake has already dropped 6 foot, and that's just what I was thinking would be best. But I'm going to keep fishing and see if that is good or not. But I just wanted to let you guys hear what I'm thinking and why I was thinking it, and that it's somewhat working so far. Alright, I just want to show you guys with the camera the banks that I was fishing. I fished, the past couple ones have been a lot steeper than this and bigger boulders and had more points on them. But I just wanted to show you how right up here, there's like point here, one up there, one all the way up there. But it's like not too steep of rock of an angle, but there's probably like, I don't know what that is, 25-30 degree banks, and up there it's a little steeper, has wood on it, bigger boulders, smaller boulders like pea gravel, that kind of stuff. Just wanted to show you guys that's what I was kind of thinking of fishing today. And then the dam is down over that way, so I'm staying near the cleaner water and the water that has some more depth near it, because I figured that's what the fish would try to stay in, because I wouldn't think they would be putting themselves up in like the backs of creeks, even though that's what you hear that in the fall. But with the water dropping, I figured they would try to follow it out and then stop and feed on like points and like brush piles and steeper banks and that kind of stuff. But I just wanted to show you guys with this camera what I was thinking when I was talking about that style of bait. You just slapped me in the chest.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.